Class, we're going to review what we learned last class about two-step equations and variables. So a variable is any letter used in an equation. For example, I have two examples here. 8 plus q equals 16, or 10 plus c equals 25. What's the equation of 8 plus, what is the variable of 8 plus 2 equals 16? Anybody, raise your hand real quick.
Q.
Q, correct. What is the variable of 10 plus c equals 25?
C.
Correct, thank you. Very good. So the variable of these two equations are q and c. Two-step equations, we're going to review that real quick. Alright, first you must get the variable alone using the inverse or opposite of the number next to the variable. So here are the two examples I use. 8 plus q equals 16. And so what do you have to do? It's on there, but what do you have to do?
You have to take 8 from one side, because you have to take it from one side, you have to take it from the other side too.
You gotta eliminate the 8 to get q by itself. So what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. There we go. So what's the inverse or the opposite of 8?
Negative.
Correct. So 8 minus 8 is what?
0.
So that eliminates itself. So you're gonna bring down the q, right?
Yes.
And what are you going to do with the 16 up here?
Subtract 8.
Correct. So 16 minus 8 is?
8.
Correct. Thank you very much. I'm going to ask for 2 volunteers.
What side?
You two. Since you guys are so eager. Alright, I'm going to put 2 equations on the overhead. You can't look at the equation yet. You got to be facing the class. 2 equations on the overhead. You're going to solve the equation. The fastest person who solves the equation, your side wins. So we're going to have east side versus west side, okay?
East side?
West side, east side. And you guys are going to write the equations, and you're going to solve it as well. So if one of them gets it wrong, they can have a chance to still get the correct answer for you guys. All right? Are you ready?
East side.
Set. Go.
Let's go west side.
East side.
Come on, Jay. There's no kidding. Come on, Jay.
I won already.
No. You erased it.
I can't
even read that.
Nobody
You can't read that.
No. You fixed
Come on,
it.
you can do
We
it.
won. Our side.
East side.
Always
Okay.
wins. East side.
Okay.
side.
East side. Let's check it.
East side.
East side.
-8,
Uh-huh.
and then you subtract 8 on that
Wow, is
side.
that an 8? I
Two.
believe it's not.
My marker was like tripping, and then
Okay.
equals 10.
C equals 10. How are you going to check that?
Because 8 plus 10 equals 18.
Does it?
18 equals 18. So that means C does equal 10.
Correct. Thank you very much. Wonderful, wonderful, east side. All right, west side. What do you do?
West side.
And here, so I subtracted 10 from this side, and then connected it to this side, connected it to this side too, and those two cancel out. 12 minus 10 is 2, so x equals 2.
And how did you check your answer?
You have 10, you substitute x for 2, it equals 12. It's 12, and it's right.
Correct. So what's the chant that we learned?
Which do on
What
one
you
side?
do on one side, you gotta do to the other.
All right, wait. That's too boring. Let's drop a beat. Let's drop a beat.
Oh!
All right. What we do to one side,
You gotta do the other!
what